Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming to you guys with a tutorial on how to do a bun. Right now, you can see all of the supplies you will need, from the Jamaican twist hair to Eco Styler gel, leave-in conditioner for your natural hair, hairpins, rubber bands, and yeah, all that type of stuff. You will need also edge control for those edges. We have to slay those edges, and then a nice hairbrush to get everything all together. There's one other item a couple items I haven't shown you. I use a wide tooth comb and also some oil sheen. So now, as you can see, I just got out of the shower. I actually rinsed my hair because I just washed it about a week ago. So now I'm rinsing it, and then I'm going to apply the Cantu leave-in conditioner. This helps with keeping your hair moisturized while you have it in a protective style, which is always good. We want to make sure we take care of our hair, even though we're wearing weave or whatever on our hair. So here you see that I have a wide tooth comb, and I'm combing my hair out after I have applied the leave-in conditioner. The next thing you want to grab is the Eco Styler gel. The Eco Styler gel will help put the hair in place and keep it in place, and also gives it a nice shine. I love my Eco Styler gel, so you need to use a liberal amount of the gel. Make sure you use a lot to get all of your hair in place. Now, as you can see, those waves that are in my hair, that's why I'm going to love this Jamaican twist hair, because it actually matches the waves that I actually have in my hair as well. So then you want to grab yourself a hair tie, and to keep all your hair up in a bun. I could have did this better by maybe pushing my bun up a little closer towards the base, or closer toward the top of my head, so that you can actually see the bun. You don't have to really tilt your head down, but it actually came out pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and are able to follow along and do this yourself. So now that I have my hair all up in the hair tie, you want to just make sure everything's slick and it stays up. And now it's time to grab the hair. Now you see that I have a rubber band that's on the actual hair, and you want to keep that on there. You do not want to cut that off. That is going to be a very key part into making this a very easy hair bun tutorial. You're going to make sure you split the hair into two sides and take that rubber band that I told you not to cut and put it around your bun. That's going to make it stay on, but once you're done, you actually it'll be more secure, but this will keep it on. So now that I have the hair band around my actual bun, what I'm going to do now is take all of the hair forward. Now there's a method to my madness. The reason why I'm bringing it all forward is to cover my actual hair bun with the hair, and you're just going to take a rubber band and just kind of slide it over the Jamaican twist hair to cover your bun. Then you want to zhuzh it out just a little bit, just to make sure that it's not so tight, and you're able to you see how that is, like it's covering everything. So you want to make sure you cover the hair bun, your actual hair bun, and here later you'll actually get to use some hairpins to put all the hair in place. So one of the methods that I use to start the bun is to grab 1/2 of the hair that's on your head and twist it around, so that way you can create the bun that you want. So right here you see me using the hairpins, the wider ones, to kind of keep things down in place and to make sure that the bun kind of adheres to your head. Now there is a lot of hair in this packaging. I don't know if you guys got to see at the beginning, but this hair is only $4.99, but I have a way to make it stretch even more. I think I could have just actually cut the hair in half where the rubber band was, and actually got my own rubber band and created that knot like they did with the hair, and actually have a smaller bun. And I actually think I'm going to do that next time. I love wearing my hair like this. It's very easy, especially when I'm working out and stuff like that. I don't have to worry about it being in my face or the wind blowing in my face. It's now, working outdoors. All right, so then you twist the hair in your hand, and then twist the hair around your bun, and again get your hairpins. This time I'm actually using the hairpins that are tighter, as you can see there, and that is because when you're actually doing the outer part of the bun, you want the hairpins to actually hold on to the bun and to also attach it to your head, and you know that it's not going to move. Those other hairpins are a little too wide where it's just going to be too loose, and you could it could possibly come loose, and you don't want that. You want to keep everything tight and together. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so the second part of the hair, you're going to twist in the hand just like I did before, and then you're going to wrap it around, and it doesn't matter which way, whatever is your preference, but I twist it and wrap it around the opposite way. And then as you can see, I'm pulling because, like I said, it's a lot of hair and it started to look a little bulky to me, so I started pulling to make sure that it's really, really tight. Looking for another hairpin so that I can make sure that this is put in place. Nothing falling out. Nothing at all. So yeah, I mean, there's all kinds of ways that you can actually do this hair if you wanted to. I mean, if you're good enough, you could actually make an actual ponytail out of it. You know, I don't see why you couldn't. It's very easy to do, so it's easy to go ahead and put on. Like I said, we went to see a movie right before this, and it was very easy to go ahead and do this and touch up my makeup, and we were out the door and actually early for the movie. So this is something that you can do. You know, after you get out of the shower and you have to go somewhere, it should not take you very long to create this. Alright, as you can see, it's pretty much in place. Now on the top of the bun, it was still a little too puffy for me, so I ended up getting some more hairpins and just kind of making sure I mash the hair down and get it and put it into place. And I think it's a really good way to make sure that your bun stays in place and that you shape it the way you want to shape it. And hairpins are the way to go. It can help you make sure that the hair is in place and looking right and tight like you want. So yeah, I'm just going to put in another couple of hairpins, especially on top. I can't wait to redo this, to be honest with you, because I really want to do half the hair. It's not heavy at all on the top of my head, so that's one. I don't know if that's going to be a question for someone, but it's not heavy at all whatsoever. Like I said, it's really good. So the next thing we're going to grab, of course, is the edge tamer, honey. Yes, we got to lay the edges. We don't want to look rough. And yes, gel is good too, but the edge control just actually makes it stay in place. And I kind of swoop the edges towards my hair so that way the edges kind of go and lay flat into my actual hairline and my actual hair. So yeah, you want to feel around and make sure there's no stray hairs, and if so, all you have to do is either put them with scissors and pull them out. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Like I said, it's very easy to wear, and because the Eco Styler gel gives your hair somewhat of a shine, I use the olive oil oil sheet to make sure my bun has a little bit of a shine as well. So yes guys, thank you so much for looking at this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy. Bye bye.